What's up, guys? Just got some more models in the mail today. Let's see what we got. So we got the Embraer E175 from Geminijets. Take a look inside quick. Beautiful. Got two of these because I know these were going to sell out quick and be very expensive soon. So figured to make a more realistic airport. We can get some more of these. We got like 3 more airplanes coming tomorrow too, guys. Alright, there's 2 American right there, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. And I guess I ordered from the same seller on eBay. eBay's the way to go, guys. Holy cow. Okay, finally we got Korean. Look at that, guys. I believe that is it. Oh, that is beautiful, guys. Look at that. 2021. 2021. Heck yeah, guys. I think that's it. That's it. Yeah, guys, let's get these out. Let's take a look. Alright, guys, let's start out with the American first. Here they are. We get a nice, good look for you guys. There goes the camera. Beautiful as can be. I found nothing wrong with them. Good paint job. Very good detail from Geminijets. See, we got the it's like an Envoy on the front there. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Very good detail. Sorry, guys, the camera keeps focusing there, but yeah, these guys will go pretty quick, guys. So anyways, guys, here's the bottom here. Very good detail. These are gonna go quick, so make sure to get them as fast as you can if you want them. Now let's get on to the Korean Air. All right, guys, here's Korean. 777-300ER. Spare view for you guys. Very happy to have this model. 1/400 scale by Geminijets. They did a very beautiful job on this model. I love the logo, looks like the Pepsi symbol. HL7784. Very great plane, guys. I recommend getting this before it kind of goes up in price there. So I'm sure it'll be like 80-90 bucks someday. Let's get another look at the bottom here. Excellent condition here, guys. I haven't noticed anything yet. Oh, wow. I really like what they did at the back. Wow, that... Guys, this is beautiful. Wow. Let's get a look at the front. Beautiful, guys. Okay, so here you have it. All the new models. More coming tomorrow as well. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well at LAX Model Airport, guys. Old PMV Model Airport, but LAX Model Airport fit better. So just stay tuned, guys. Thanks.